Hey, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Lukas. Now we're at our warehouse. Today we're going to load 4 sets SEM machines, includes wheel loaders, road rollers, and motor graders. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's sort off information of these machines. It equips the 3 cubic meters bucket and 5 tons rated capacities. With this large enough bucket, you can face all construction conditions. Come on, let's enter the cab and have a look at the operating space. Mechanical adjustable high back seats, more comfortable. Option heating and cool air conditions. The cab is spacious and bright with large space and better vision. Integrated inductance meter. It is equipped with new design shock absorber Weichai Stage 3 engine, and the rated power is 162 kilowatts. Next, I want to introduce another road roller machines for you. Another machine is SEM518 one single drum roller. Okay, let's sort out of implemented of info machine. The total mass is 80 tons and the vibration frequency is 30 Hz. It equipped the Caterpillar patented technology pod-shaped vibration unit, providing unparalleled performance and reliability. Its vibration and amplitude switching are stable, reducing impact on vibration motor and prolonging its life. The dashboard will detect abnormal conditions of multiple systems in real time to provide failures. Option heating and cool air condition. Electronical control, the gearbox makes the shifting operation easier, reduce fuel and improve its production efficiency. By removing the cab, it can be easily loaded into a 40 HQ containers. Okay, if you have any interested machines, please contact us. Thank you for your time.